Everyone, today I'm talking about AI. How AI will take over the job market. Are you ready? This is no longer a futuristic concept, it's already here and it's evolving faster than ever. From chatbots to robots performing surgeries, AI is replacing everything. So, but what does this mean for your job? Let's explore how AI is taking over the job market, what industries are most affected, and how you can stay relevant in the age of automation. The first is like jobs. Many routine jobs are at high risk. That is customer service, from chatbots replacing call center reps, data entry and analysis, basic accounting and bookkeeping, transportation, that self-driving vehicles, retail and cashier jobs, manufacturing and assembling in line roles. According to stat of 30, by 2030 up to 800 million jobs globally could be lost to automation. It's already there in the report. AI, second is AI in high skill jobs. When I say high skill job, it's not all about low skill jobs or the normal jobs will go. It's affecting every aspect. It's like it's not just low skill job. AI is moving into areas once thought safe. That is healthcare. AI diagnosing diseases with better accuracy, legal contract reviews, case predictions. The third is finance, automated trading, risk analysis, content creation, AI writing the news, reports, and even poetry. AI doesn't replace. So it's not everything AI is replacing. There are few jobs which AI will not replace. That is, not all jobs are at risk. The human edge still matters in. That is, for the roles, creative roles such as branding, storytelling, designs. The second is leadership and strategy. The third is emotional intelligence based roles, that is counseling, therapy, teaching. The last is skilled trades, that is plumbing, electrician, carpenter. The tip which I want to give here is the future belongs to those who can continue or combine human skills plus AI tools. If you don't do, then it's difficult. The fourth is how to stay relevant in the age of AI. Upskilling is the only way forward. Here, what you should do. The first is learn AI literacy. Basic understanding of how AI works, you should be knowing. The second is focus on problem solving, critical thinking, emotional intelligence. The third is learn to work with AI tools. When I say AI tools, example, chat GPT, data visualization softwares, be adaptable. Industries will change and roles will shift fast. The fifth and the last thing, the new job market collaborations, not a competition. The new job market which AI is getting, that is for collaboration, not for competition. AI won't just take jobs, it will create a new roles. Then what are such roles? AI trainers and explainers, ethical AI auditors we need, prompt engineering, human AI collaboration experts, tech savvy financial planners, teachers and creatives. Think of AI not as a competition but as a powerful assistant for you, which will help you to go with the change. The conclusion from this video, which I want to tell everybody, is like AI will take over many jobs, no doubt in that, but it will also open doors to entirely new careers. The key is to adapt, learn the AI wave, they will ride it to a success. Now ask yourself, are you learning faster than AI as AI is evolving? Thank you.